In this video, I'm going to show you how to bend the text in Affinity Designer. Now, the first thing you have to do in here, you want to go to the Vector tab and you want to actually create a bend. And by this, I mean some shape. So here you can go to this little tool over here and you want to create whatever you want. I'm just going to create kind of a circle or a rounded ellipse. I'm going to click on that and I'm going to just drag it out like that. And let's say this is now the curvature I want. Okay, this is the bend I want to have. And the text is going to go up here. Now to achieve this, you can just click on layer whenever this ellipse is selected, hover over convert, and click on to text path. When you do that, it's going to automatically start blinking and you can just type in whatever you want. I'm going to type in hello, and that's basically it. As you can see already, I do have a bend over here. And if I now click out of here, you'll be able to see I now have a text which basically is bent, okay? Now it's just slightly bent. Of course, I could go ahead and change this. So if I click in here, I could just change the bend like that. As you can see, it also reverse it. And if you hold down your shift key, it's also going to basically make it symmetrical, okay? So just make sure you do know that when navigating this. And then you can just double click on this text. You can alter whatever you want. You could go ahead, align it to different alignments. So like center, right, whatever you want to do. You could change the color here on the right hand side. You could go ahead and even change the size, change the font, whatever you prefer doing. You can achieve this up here whenever you select your text. So that's how to add a band. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.